What happened?
David doesn't know, but I just looking at the damage because of the storm last night.
Oh, you're looking outside. Okay.
And I was looking at the grass through this window, and I was like, the grass probably messed up. The chairs are gonna be probably broken. Then I is there a way to fully extend this?
Yeah, on the side.
Oh, look at that. No.
Whoa, what the heck happened here?
The tree fell.
Dude, are you serious?
It broke through the fence, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, the fence is broken. Oh, let's see. Open. Whoa, dude, that tree fell down. And it broke the fence.
It looks like it went over the fence to me.
This is insane. This is insane. And luckily, table's still here. Are you serious?
It's still
Oh
blowing.
my god, dude. It's still blowing pretty good. Still raining.
It just started. Sounds like. Oh, it doesn't look like it's broken the fence. Looks like it's just like over it.
Are y'all in the backyard?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
I know you see what happened to the tree.
I see the tree.
I know. I'm gonna try to cut it down today.
Okay. No worries.
I know it's crazy. Yeah.
That is insane. Everybody safe on your end?
Huh?
Are you guys safe, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the most important thing. This is crazy.
If that tree was planted an inch closer to the fence, it would have smashed this whole.
So last night, as I was sleeping, right? So I think this is what I was hearing here. Like the tree was just knocking on the window.
Dude, you see this? Look how it's just like this branch is like an inch away from the. Didn't smash that.
I know. Look how close it is. Like right in the window, dude.
That was right in my butt cheek.
What are you doing?
Planting more seeds.
What's Paji doing?
Dude, I just want
Planting issues?
Dude, I just want all these like little thorn things off of it, and then I could just climb this tree to the wilderness.
You cannot climb this tree to the wilderness.
What is that?
That
That's
is
a big
what
plant?
somebody's thing just fell in our house, dude.
Not good.
It's like other people's crap in our house. So last
Oh my
night.
god, it broke the door.
Yeah, it is. It looks like
What door is that?
It looks like the one that sheds.
Shed?
Yeah, shed doors.
Yeah, I thought that was.
It flew out here. This is insane, dude.
Dude, look at this. It's right on the window. Like, it's on it.
On it?
Oh my gosh, Dad.
On it? We know on it. Jojo, we know on it.
Oh, it's shredded. Whatever this thing is.
Shredder.
Look at this. What is this?
It is shredder.
Okay. I guess. Oh, it broke more stuff over there. I wonder what the front looks like. I only see the damage.
Hey, the car got pushed back.
No, it didn't, Dad.
Yeah, look.
Dad, Mom.
From the storm.
Mom moved it last night.
Oh, she did? Why she moved it?
Because that hoop over there for the basketball, she thought it was gonna fall on the
Car.
cars,
Oh, because in the windy condition before it fell before, huh?
and I heard it.
So no damage on the street. We are good. Everything is good. Your bushes are fine. Look at this, guys. Tree has fallen over. And look how close it was to the window. So that's what I was hearing in the middle of the night. It was these branches hitting and knocking and making that noise. But I didn't think it was this bad. This is insane. Look at the whole fence got knocked over. Look at that. That is insane. Still super windy. What's up, guys? Going for a little walk. It's super cold, super cold. It's quite windy today. Had a tree fall in the backyard, as you know, and it's pretty intense. It is super overcast, cloudy, and I've seen a lot of fallen trees here. Still super crazy windy though, I'll tell you that. Last night it was blowing like almost 50 miles an hour wind. Here's another fallen tree. Look at that. I think it fell over the car. I think it missed the car or hit the car. Let's see. Literally missed the car by inches. That is insane. Look at that. Actually, it did hit the car. You can see the dent right there on the top. It's insane, guys. The wind was gnarly last night. Looks like police already put the thing on there, tagged it. Still out here for my walk. Got gloves on. I do this every day, guys. You gotta get out. You gotta walk. Get on the treadmill. Do whatever you have to do, literally. So I throw my mask on, whatever the regulations are. So I just try to follow and then still come out. I mean, we have beautiful parks here in Elk Grove City. They're amazing. And especially the community, the area we live in. And it's the best part. I don't know if you could hear me. It's super windy. The mic's probably getting distorted. Still blowing about 25, 30 miles an hour wind. But not like last night. It was like 50, gusting up above 55, 60 miles an hour. That's insane. But the fresh air though, you gotta get out for the fresh air, you know? Because I know days like this, or sometimes colder than this, you want to stay home and just do it on a treadmill. But then running on the treadmill indoor, it's just not the same, you know? This also keeps your nose warm, having your mask on. But I could take it out because there's nobody around, actually. So it should be good to roll. But it keeps your nose nice and warm, nice and toasty. Exercise is great, guys. Gotta go walk, run. I used to be really good actually when I was really driving on the truck. I used to actually exercise daily. Since I've been actually more home this whole past year, pretty much literally, I tend to I think I skip more exercising than I ever have, because I guess you're off the schedule, you're not in your routine. Jesse moved the car back so that rim doesn't fall over and hit the car. It had happened to us before.
9. Let's see, what is this? 3, 6, 9, 12. Oh, I actually did some of one of them. Match it. There's 15 questions in each one of them. Some kid did that in like kindergarten. Like, you can't come up the slide. Come with the hand. Some kid did that to the other guy. Wow.
Are you paying attention?
No, because we're waiting for the computer teacher to come.
Oh.
Duh.
All right. It's break time then, right?
No, it's waiting for the computer teacher. And we're just having a laggy teacher with us.
Okay.
He's like the laggiest man alive. If you were here and you were listening to him, he's like, and he's like blurry and frozen half the time, like, what,